Veredus Laboratories is a company always ready for a pandemic. We believe that low-cost, robust, and efficient diagnostic tools should be made readily available to all in the fight against infectious diseases. Veredus Laboratories was incorporated in 2003 in Singapore to offer a highly sensitive and user-friendly molecular diagnostic alternative to the traditional gold standards in detecting infectious diseases. Following the outbreaks of SARS and H5N1 in the mid-2000s, we realized that a lack of biosurveillance capability led to serious consequences. We need something faster, better, and cheaper. This was what Veredus was committed to provide. Today, Veredus aims to provide technologies and solutions in the area of disease surveillance, biodefense-related pathogen identification, emerging infectious diseases, and lifestyle diseases. The only way to control the spread of infection is to understand and stop it where it comes from. In 2006, we came up with an idea that we are able to do biosurveillance in areas that conventional testing were not done. So we are committed to coming out with faster, more efficient, and more robust tests.
When COVID-19 first emerged as a respiratory disease, we knew it would only be a matter of time before it reached our shores. The first case of COVID-19 was reported in January 2020 in Singapore. By February, we had already obtained regulatory approval from the Singapore Health Sciences Authority for the in vitro diagnostic test for use in laboratories and hospitals.
As COVID-19 pandemic cases increased exponentially from February 2020, our customers had immediate needs for virus detection. We tried to design specific detection sets as fast as possible. The Lab-on-Chip is a silicon chip that integrates PCR and microarray into the size of a fingernail. With our over 10 years of know-how and the design experience of the Lab-on-Chip technology, we could quickly provide the first version of the VereCLV assay in time. At the same time, we also started providing real-time PCR-based assays. As the screening magnitude expanded, there was increased demand for the virus detection assay. We developed a time-saving method that enables the direct introduction of the sample media into our real-time PCR assay reaction without any purification processes. As countries and businesses are coming out of restrictions or lockdowns, more labs are looking at faster and easier specimen collection methods for detecting COVID-19. We provided the answer for this by adapting our PCR assay chemistry compatible with the saliva sample. By combining our saliva self-collection kit that includes a specially formulated treatment buffer, the saliva sample is processed quickly in a single tube and the sample is ready for the assay. When Veredus launched the VereCLV detection kit, it allowed us to identify and differentiate SARS-CoV and SARS-CoV-2 in a single test. Since then, we have launched an improved version of the Lab-on-Chip that shortened the test duration from 2.5 hours to 1.5 hours.
Our VerePLEX biosystem and VereCLV detection kit were deployed in Singapore by the government as part of screening measures against COVID-19. Singapore established COVID-19 testing lab capabilities at air, land, and sea checkpoints. We're providing our testing capabilities at all these locations. Veredus Laboratories is now working closely with global distribution partners to meet customer requirements for proactive biosurveillance and diagnostics to fight against infectious diseases all over the world.
We came to Veredus because it was involved in the successful implementation of COVID-19 tests at all checkpoints in Singapore. We wanted to offer similar testing and surveillance solutions to our clients in Central Asian countries. Veredus helped us very much in transferring their knowledge and onboard us as their partner in the best way possible. We do have a lot of confidence in their solutions due to the fact that we also know how the people are, how they work, and that quality control rules and regulations are taken seriously and in place.
We are committed to bring high-quality products to our customers globally. We are constantly keeping ourselves up to date and thinking of ways to provide better testing solutions for our customers, and we want to provide the best products possible to tackle the growing threat of pandemics.